Your health information is important and should be private, and that is why SyncMD is here to help you with that, making that happen. We're joined by Eugene Luskin here to tell us more about SyncMD. Eugene, it's always great to see you. We love SyncMD because it's such a great service to our viewers here. So let's talk about what it is first before we get into kind of the details of why this is so important.
Well, the key focus of SyncMD as a solution, as a company, is to provide patients with full access to their health information, with basically full custodianship of their information, allowing them to gather, store, and share medical data, medical records at any time at their discretion.
And I've been in your office just to kind of, you've shown us how easy it is to get your records and to share that with someone. So it really gives the patient and the person the control over their own records to give that information to whoever they need to at any time. Maybe it's a caregiver situation. So it makes it really, really easy. One of the big concerns that a lot of people have, and I'm sure people ask you this all the time, is, we have healthcare hacks and things like that. People are kind of having their information at risk. What is the big concern there?
So the key thing to understand is that data access overall has two big areas. It's data security and data privacy. And from that perspective, just trying to explain that in kind of non-geeky type of things, just imagine that you installed a new lock on your front door, which has keypad and an ability to enter the code to access your house. And someone calls you and says, hey, I'm in your area, let's grab some lunch together. And you say, no, I'm actually in the office, but you can stop by my house. I have this cool lock. I'm giving you the access code, and you can grab whatever you want from the fridge, right? So that guy comes to your house, takes some food, and takes $5,000 from your table. Well, that issue is with basically access authorization. You authorized that person to access your house without specifying what he can and cannot take. So you cannot blame the lock for your actions. So that's related to data privacy. Data security is about preventing unauthorized access. So preventing me, for example, from guessing what your code is. So
or me going in and breaking down the door.
Correct, correct. Or from actually getting you to use like 2-digit code so anyone can easily guess it. So those are two areas that are both very, very important. And that's the focus of our tools and our platform, to make sure that we clearly explain to patients, to our customers, what they should and should not do.
And I think that's a great way to explain it, because everyone wants to make sure their information is safe and that they're able to share that information as easily as possible. And we were talking to anyone who's ever had to get their medical records and send them to a doctor before you go in. You know how difficult that can be, and that's why this app is so important for people to be able to use. So people can go into the App Store and download this and start using it now?
Absolutely. We're on the market for several years now, so we have thousands and thousands of patients, doctors, physicians, hospitals using our tools to provide the patients with the access to their data, and for patients to actually share it with anyone.
And we were talking about this too, about how from a physician standpoint and being able to increase the rate of service, because if you're traveling somewhere and you have this medical thing, getting your records is not something that you're going to be able to do just like that. So
the systems are very disconnected today in healthcare industry. The data is very fragmented. So yes, traveling is one of the examples, but most people know, and they either personally had those situations, or they know someone who had the situation of visiting a doctor and not having enough medical information with them at that time. That results in medical errors, medical mistakes, that results in canceled appointments, that results in many different things. But data security obviously has to be a huge part of this, because you don't want the data that belongs to you to be stolen by someone.
You don't. Well, we could talk to you all day about this, but of course, you can go to SyncMD.com to find out more about the app. You can also go to the App Store and search SyncMD and download it today. Eugene, thank you so much. Always great to see you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Of course.